Welcome to the ASP.NET course by Simplilearn. Do you know that businesses are looking for people who can create personalized web applications that meet their specific needs, leading to growing demand for skilled .NET developers? To become a competent .NET developer, it's very important to learn the necessary skills, understand the job responsibilities. Let me tell you something about ASP.NET. ASP.NET, developed by Microsoft, is a powerful and versatile web application framework which is designed to build dynamic and interactive web pages and services. Launched in the early 2000s, ASP.NET has evolved into a robust platform for creating a modern web application, embracing both web forms for rapid development and MVC, which stands for Model View Controller Architecture, for enhanced flexibilities. One of the ASP.NET's key strengths lies in its seamless integration with the .NET framework, allowing developers to leverage a vast library of pre-built functionalities and tools for efficient application development. ASP.NET supports various programming languages such as C# and VB.NET, providing developers with the flexibility and choice. ASP.NET promotes scalability, security, and maintainability, making it a preferred choice for building enterprise-level applications and websites. If you want to pursue a fulfilling career as a .NET developer, start by identifying your interests and matching them with the requirements of this ever-changing industry. This way, you can set out on a rewarding path as .NET developers by aligning what you enjoy doing with the needs of the job market. So without any further delay, let's start with this amazing course and learn all the basics of ASP.NET.